filming by our kitties here. Look how cute they are. Guys, I hope you hear me. Okay, so this one is over here. So funny. Hi, I'm gonna eat you alive. See how funny that one backed up? Okay, right here. Hi, Paul. Why is a baby out here?
This is Nikki Sissy.
Here, okay.
Sheet is a great responsibility. Sheet is the treat.
I see, Hopper.
Yes.
Hi, City. Hi.
Boo!
La boo, la boo. Can you give your kitties over there?
She's looking at you, Mama.
I don't want to be in a video, so. Okay. No, that's just a burned piece of wood. Okay. So hilarious. Yeah, I'll show where the kitties are supposed to be.
I'm holding Holgo. The hands are full.
No, just a little bit. I'm making a video. This is where kitties stay. Supposed to be. See, all the way back there. Just over there. The food's over there somewhere.
I'm gonna play with my dog. Come with me.
More Walter. Little Pablo, and I'm gonna have to go. Silly baby. Kitty's over there. They've been wandering around like crazy. 100% crazy. Kitty. Okay, but I'm gonna go. Bye, guys.